Good morning guys. Welcome back dear students. Now today I will discuss with you a practical problem related to the oversubscription and forfeiture of share issued at premium. In last video I discussed with you our subscription and forfeiture of share at par, now at premium. It's your 57 question from your book. A company issued 10,000 share of 10 at a premium of 1 per share. Payment to be made as follows: on application 3, on allotment 4 including premium, on first call 2 and on second and final call 2. Application were received for 20,000 share. Here first of all applied share, allotted share. Applied share, from whom, how many shares will be allotted. Applications for 5,000 share were rejected, means 5,000 share nil. And pro rata allotment was made to the remaining applicant. Total application 20,000 and 5,000, then remaining 15,000 and allotted 10,000. 15,000 share allotted 10,000. The director made both calls and all money were duly received except allotment first and final call on 400 shares which were subsequently forfeited. Allotment first and final call not received by 400 shares. Out of these, 300 shares were forfeited and reissued at fully paid at ₹15 per share. 300 shares were issued as fully paid at 15 per share. Keep journal entry. Past journal entry. These are the nil. Their money will be refunded. On 5,000 share from 3, 15,000 rupees will be returned, and for remaining you will make table 15,000 applied, then allotted 10,000, excess application 5,000, application money through 3, 15,000, allotted share multiplied by allotment 4, 40,000, 15,000 will be used and your allotment money will remain 25. Excess application money 15,000 will be used at the time of allotment. 400 allotted. Here allotted does not pay the allotment call. Excess money used on allotment, he does not pay the allotment. Then table will be created. For table you require applied share. Calculate applied share 15,000, 10,000, x 400 by cross multiply 10,000 into x, 15,000 into 400, x divided by 10,000, then your result will be 600. 600 applied, then you issued allowed 400 shares. Excess application 200, money through 3, 600. Allotted 400 multiplied by allotment only 4, 1,600, 600 used, 1,000 allotment money not received from this shareholder, and amount received on allotment, that is 24,000. That is 24,000 dear students. Now let's start the journal entry. First of all, application money received for 20,000 share, bank account debit to share. Dear student, due to space problem I will write short word. On 1 share 3, on 20,000 60,000. Application money transfer to share capital. Share application account debit on 60,000 to share capital account. Share will be issued 10,000. 30,000. How much money used on allotment? 15,000. To share allotment account 15,000, and those shareholder who does not allot any share, their money will be refunded, that is 15,000. Now allotment will do share allotment account debit On one share 4 on 10,000 40,000. On which one is premium, 3 is capital. 2 share capital account. On one share 3 on 10,000 30,000. 2 security premium reserve account 10,000. What amount will be received? That is 24,000. Bank account debit 2 share allotment account 24,000. Now first call will be due on one share first call, 2 on 10,000 shares 20,000. Share first call account debit 2 share capital account. On one share 2 on 10,000 20,000. What amount will be received? 400 share does not pay the first call, money first and final call. Then calculate the amount. Amount due 20,000 on 400. On one share 2 rupees not received and on 400 share 800 will not receive. Then amount received 19,200. Bank account debit 2 share first call account 19,200. We are doing 19,200. Now final call will be due. Share final call account debit 2 share capital account. On one share final call 2, on 10,000 share 20,000. Now money will receive amount due 20,000. 400 share already not paid up call money. On one share 2 on 400 share 800 rupees will not receive. Money received 19,200. Bank account debit 2 share final call account 19,200. These will be forfeited. On one share capital 10 or 400 share 4,000. Share capital account debit 4,000. If premium received, allotment money not received and premium will be not received. And then premium will be debit. Security premium reserve account debit. On one share 1, on 400 share 400. The amount which is not received, that will be created 2 share allotment account. $1,000 on share 2 share first call account. On one share 2 or 400 800. 2 share final call account. On one share 2 or 400 share 800. 2 share forfeiture account. Remaining 1800. Remaining 1800. Out of the 300 share were issued as fully paid 15 per share. Bank amount of 15. Bank account debit 4,500 fully paid were used. Then your share capital will be 10. 2 share capital account. On one share 10 on 3,000 3,000 share. Debit is more than credit. Then share issued at premium. 2 security premium. 2 security premium. Reserve account. That is 1,500. Shares which will be issued transferred to their share forfeiture in the capital reserve. Forfeited share 400 Reissued 300. On 400 share forfeiture is 1,800. On 400 shares forfeiture 1,800. On 400 share forfeiture 1,800. On 1 share forfeiture divided by 400. On 300 shares forfeiture, 300 share forfeiture is multiplied by 300. That result is 1,350. No forfeiture is used in the reissue. Nothing is used. Then share for all money transfer to capital reserve. Share forfeiture account debit. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. To capital reserve account. 1,350. 1,350. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.